So I got this online from the Sylvanian family's website, and this is a limited stock Sylvanian family's figure, and it was £30, but I thought it's definitely worth it, so I used some of my birthday money to get it. And then this part of the box tucks down into there, and it's a Freya figure in a really fancy pretty dress. So now I'm going to get her out. I think I'd mainly keep her in the box to keep her safe, as she's so special. Right, so she's wearing a really lovely, lacy, posh dress. And then the box is all yellow, it's a really fancy background. So now I'm going to get her out of the box. Right, so I've now got her out of the box, and she's sitting on, or standing on, a little pink stool. Because the dress is so big, she needs to stand on the stool because it's quite long. And there's just this plastic bit on her feet, which I'll just get off now. Right, so she's wearing a lovely dress, and it's got this lovely bit on her ear as well, and it's got a rose on it, and also she's got a really big ribbon on her back. It looks so fancy. And also there's this furry bit at the top, looks really posh. And she's got a gold bit on the front. And there's this stool that she stands on because the dress is longer than she is tall. Her feet only go up to there-ish. So she has to stand on that. This looks so pretty. I love it so much. I'm so lucky to have this. And also even gold bits on the lacy bit on her ear. Looks really pretty. And little pink ribbons on the white lacy bit on the dress. It's so posh. She looks like a princess. So I'll put her back in the box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.